Have you ever wondered what secrets lie hidden in the deepest, darkest parts of our oceans? The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, yet we know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the abyssal plains of the deep sea. Despite all our advanced technology, scientists continue to discover mysterious and unexplained sounds that baffle experts around the world. These aren't just random noises. They're structured, powerful, and sometimes downright creepy. In this video, we're diving deep to explore the strangest, most puzzling sounds ever recorded from beneath the waves, and what they might tell us about the hidden world that thrives in eternal darkness. Prepare to be amazed and maybe a little spooked. Let us start with what is arguably the most famous and debated underwater sound ever recorded. The bloop, detected back in the summer of 1997 in the South Pacific Ocean by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA. This sound was incredibly powerful. It was an ultra-low frequency, high-amplitude burst of noise that was so loud it was picked up by hydrophones over 5,000 kilometers apart. For a long time, the leading theory was that it had to be an animal, but if it was, this creature would have to be many times larger than the biggest blue whale, the largest animal known to exist on Earth. This idea sparked wild speculation about a gigantic, unknown leviathan lurking in the deep. It was the stuff of sea monster legends. However, after years of study, scientists now believe the most likely cause was a massive icequake. The sound of a giant iceberg cracking and breaking away from an Antarctic glacier. But because no one saw it happen, the blooper remains one of the ocean's most iconic and chilling mysteries. Next up is a sound that's been perplexing scientists for decades. Upsweep. First detected in 1991 by the Pacific Marine Environmental Laboratory. Upsweep is a long train of narrowband, upsweeping sounds that lasts for several seconds. What makes it so strange is its consistency. It's seasonal, reaching its peak in the spring and fall, but it's been heard regularly for years. The source is believed to be in the Pacific, somewhere west of South America, but its exact location is still a mystery. The leading hypothesis points to underwater volcanic activity, perhaps related to the formation of new seafloor or the release of gas and fluids from the Earth's crust. But the sound's unique, almost musical quality, doesn't perfectly match other known volcanic sounds. It's an eerie, repeating chorus from the deep that continues to fascinate and puzzle oceanographers. A constant reminder of the dynamic and active world hidden beneath the waves. Now for a sound that's as spooky as its name, the whistle. This one was recorded in the Atlantic Ocean, and it's a short, haunting sound that lasts just a few seconds. It has a distinct, clear melody that rises in pitch, almost like someone is whistling a tune in the distance. Researchers who listen to deep-sea recordings often hear it during quiet periods, when there's no other noise from ships or marine life. What makes the whistle so bizarre is that it doesn't match the signature of any known marine animal, like a whale or a dolphin, nor does it sound like any man-made mechanical source. It is too melodic for a geological event, and too isolated to be part of a larger pattern. To this day, the origin of the whistle remains a complete mystery. It's a fleeting, ghost-like sound that leaves scientists with more questions than answers, making it one of the most puzzling audio files ever captured from the ocean. Let's move on to a sound called the slowdown. True to its name, this sound starts at a high frequency and then gradually, over about 7 minutes, slows down in pitch until it becomes almost too low to hear. It was first recorded in 1997 in the equatorial Pacific Ocean. Like the bloop, it was powerful enough to be heard by sensors thousands of kilometers apart. Initially, there was a lot of excitement and speculation. Could this be another giant, unknown creature? Some scientists proposed that the sound might be caused by ice moving over the seafloor. As a massive chunk of ice drags along the ocean bottom, the friction could create a sound that changes in frequency as the ice slows down. But this is just a theory. Despite repeated recordings of the sound over the years, its exact origin has never been confirmed or reproduced. It is a powerful reminder of how little we truly understand the complex physics and geology of the deep ocean. Another captivating acoustic mystery is a sound nicknamed Julia. Recorded on March 1st, 1999, in the South Pacific, Julia is a loud, low-frequency groaning sound that lasts for about 15 seconds. It was powerful enough to be heard across the entire equatorial Pacific Ocean hydrophone array. When scientists first analyzed it, they were stumped. The sound was mournful and intense, The prevailing theory today is that Julia was the sound of a massive Antarctic iceberg running aground off the coast of Antarctica. Researchers were able to triangulate the source to a location near Cape Adare, a known area for large icebergs. While this explanation is plausible, the sound's unique. Haunting Character has made it one of the most famous, unsolved recordings from the ocean. It's a powerful, almost sorrowful voice from the planet's most remote regions, a sound that feels both natural and deeply alien at the same time. From the Bloop to Julia, these strange and unexplained sounds paint a picture of an ocean that is far from silent. It's a dynamic, living world filled with a symphony of noises we are only just beginning to understand. Each recording is a breadcrumb, a clue that leads us deeper into the vast, dark, and largely unexplored frontier of our own planet. These sounds are both fascinating and a little terrifying, fueling our curiosity about what incredible forces and perhaps unknown life forms might be lurking just beyond our reach, hidden beneath the crushing pressure of the deep sea. The ocean is the last great wilderness, and its secrets are waiting to be discovered. What do you think is making these sounds? An unknown creature, a strange geological phenomenon, or something else entirely? Let us know in the comments which sound you found the most chilling. If you love unsolved mysteries and the secrets of the deep, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next dive into the unknown. Thanks for watching.